On my recent trip, I visited with TV host and cookbook author Chef Juan. He's been a proud promoter of Malaysian cuisine for over 27 years. The first dish that he made for me was his grandmother's laksa, and that rich coconut broth inspired me to make chili grilled shrimp noodles. And I'm recreating that with a dressing based on Chef Juan's laksa, starting with some peanuts, garlic and ginger, building in beautiful flavor and aroma into the dressing is my inspiration from that rich coconut broth that smelled so good as Chef Juan was cooking it. A bit of sweetness from sugar, lots of fresh lime juice, and then adding turmeric. There we go. I'm going to pour this into my bowl and then stir in coconut milk. And then, of course, what would laksa be without sambal? Oh, that chili sauce will add a gorgeous heat to this dish. I'll spoon some onto my shrimp. Just give that a toss to coat. The shrimp only take a couple minutes on each side. These smell so good. Go. I'll set the shrimp aside so I can start on the noodles. I'll preheat a clean pan on high, and I have my rice noodles that I've soaked and drained really well. Once you can feel that the noodles are soft, then you can add all of this beautiful, flavorful, laksa-inspired dressing. And now I can add my vegetables. I have a combination here: bell pepper, snap peas, and bean sprouts, and all have been blanched in boiling water, so they only just need to be warmed. The last addition, a little chopped green onion. Just like Chef Juan's laksa, where all the flavor was worked into the broth, all the flavor here is in this beautiful, flavorful, laksa-inspired dressing. All right, and the finishing touch, the grilled shrimp. I have chopped egg, and I have peanuts to put on top. And there you have it, chili grilled shrimp noodles. This really does remind me of laksa.